one of the most common questions that we get is, why am I seeing a different number or more listings in my MLS when I look up a property search for a specific city than I am on my website? And one of the main answers to that is that often this is a case due to a data sharing agreement that your MLS may have with another MLS, but that's not the same as your IDX feed. Your IDX is directly correlated with your MLS. So the feed that displays on your website is approved from your MLS and does not include any agreement for any other MLSs. So you're only going to get the properties that are in your MLS. So here's how you're going to check that. In this example, I'm going to show you two different searches that I've done on this site. This is for the city of Lakeport, California, and you'll see that it has 0 results found. I've just looked up all residential properties in the city of Lakeport that are active. And in this one, I've looked up all residential properties in the city of Discovery Bay, California that are active. And you can see there are 3 results here. In this MLS report, you can see that there are 58 results, and this is for the city of Discovery Bay. So 3 results on the website, 58 in the MLS. And then for the other search that I just showed you for Lakeport, I have the same document, and you can see this one, residential active city of Lakeport, shows 54 results. So why are we having 0 results on the website for Lakeport and 3 results for Discovery Bay? So what I've done here is I went ahead and I've Googled a couple of these addresses for each one of these 2 different areas, and to see what happens when I find the property on Realtor.com. So for instance, this is one of the properties, Discovery Bay, Hampton Court. You can see it is active. And when I come down here, you're going to see that the data source is Bay East. Now, this client over here has a data source from MLS Listings Inc., not from Bay East. So if you go to IDXBroker and you go to MLS coverage and MLS data providers and type in your MLS provider, you're going to see right here, when I click on it, it's going to show you what board associations that MLS listing serves. And you can find your MLS listing, your MLS feed inside your IDXBroker account on the main menu on the left-hand side under MLS. So these are the boards that are feeding into the MLS Listings Inc. So this one's Bay East, that's not included in this board right here. And this one, which is also active, is Bridge MLS. These are 2 Discovery Bay's properties. You can see this one is Discovery Bay that were on the hot sheets. And then this one is Lakeport. And you can see that this data source is through California Regional Multiple Listing MLS. And this one, again, California Regional Multiple Listing Service, which is also not on here. So that's going to explain why. The IDX feed to your website has to be a direct agreement with your MLS. So if the MLS associated with that property is not your MLS, then it's not going to show up on your website. Hopefully this helps clear that up. If you have any questions or you're experiencing the same problem in your IDX, just give us a call or shoot us an email over to support@yoursiteneedsme.com and we'll help you look into it. Have a great day.